Okay, we had another load here using the Lee 406 hollow base, and I had a couple that I tested out, and when I looked at the bottom, see a little bit of smudging on them, meaning it's giving us a high pressure load there. It's in Wolf's book, but I don't know, we'll give them a try. I got a box of them I'm going to try out and see, but we got to be careful. They zip. They're pretty good. We're going to see how accurate they are. Okay, this here we're using that Lee 406 grain hollow base bullet. I was fooling around with it, shot a couple, got in the 8 and 9 ring. Been trying it on this target. It's a little inconsistent, and this is a pretty hot load. That's where I showed you the, I'll show you the cases where I had some smudging in the back. I cleaned out the bore real good and got 5 off with nothing, and no signs of high pressure. But I'm going to try it. I'm not going to shoot more than 5 rounds because the fouling is quite heavy. And I'm going to use the open sights. I seem to be kind of on at 200 yards with them. A bit of a crack to it. It doesn't have the recoil of the 500 grain bullet. Okay, no smudging or nothing, no signs of high pressure. And I'm using a different bullet lube other than SPG. Yeah. Thing you got to be careful with this bullet is, as you notice, the nose is shorter, so even if it's fouled, the bullet won't be sensitive to the bore fouling, and you could get fouling building up with pressure before you know it, and you got to be careful with that. Okay, I'm going to fire the rest of these off, then we're going to go look at the target. Okay, with this load, fired 4 rounds without a problem, and the 5th one started smudging. I don't know if I waited and the fouling hardened up, but it fouls up. So we're going to go down to just 4 rounds, real quick, clean it until I use this ammo up. I don't know if I'll load this again or not. Good. It's a pretty stiff load. Okay, time to clean. And once we finish the box up, we'll go look. Okay, this load here, We're kind of zeroed in. We're a little bit better than our grouping's better than the. We had one flyer here, one flyer there. Could be a defect in the base of the cast bullet, but pretty consistent with the open sights. More on center, shooting a little to the left. Might have to do some work and be more careful with the cast bullets. Just getting used to the gun and the sights. But not bad. Not bad at all. 200 yards for a load I didn't test before. Fairly accurate. Alright, our last shots with the Lee bullet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still kind of sporadic. And then we had some leftover 500 grainers, and we tried to go back to them, and we're off about a foot. Try a different sighting. But the Lee bullets fared better. I might do some more experimentation. Get a different load for them. They seem to work okay. Alright.